Hello students, welcome to YourPedia. So as we are daily discussing that many public sectors are recruiting through GATE exam, GATE 25, okay, and there are some public sectors who conduct their own exam also, okay. So you have options in both your hands through GATE or through exam you can enter into PSUs. So recently one of the topmost public sector, that is Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, RCFL. So they conducted one test, okay. So now they have provided the list of candidates provisionally shortlisted for personal interview based on their online test conducted on 5th of August, okay. So on 5th of August there was a test conducted by RCFL. So now recently they released the list of candidates in chemical engineering. Now they have released this list in mechanical as well as industrial engineering also, okay. So you can check your registration number here. In mechanical you can see here registration numbers of the shortlisted candidates are given, and you can download your interview letter also, and you can check your mail also, okay. And here we have industrial engineering, right. So okay, so candidates will be issued call letters through emails shortly, okay. So kindly check your emails, okay. And candidates are once again advised to check their eligibility criteria, okay. So while applying for this job there was some eligibility criteria, so kindly go through that. If you satisfy that, it's okay, okay. And receiving call letter does not automatically qualify the candidate for personal interview. This is subject to verification of all required document in original before the actual interview, okay. So it's time to collect all your documents. Go with all your original documents and their attested photocopies to the interview venue, okay. Before the interview they will verify your documents, right. So this is very important. If any document is missing, so you may not be allowed to enter into the interview, right. So please collect all your documents, okay. Now this you have got a very good opportunity because it is not easy to crack any exam, okay. So you have cleared this exam, so now it's time to prepare for the interview also in the same manner as you have done in the written exam preparation time, okay. So in RCFL interview, what important points you have to keep in your mind? They will ask you about your introduction, so prepare your introduction in the proper sequence, okay. And then they will ask you questions regarding technical subject, your branch, mechanical engineering, all the major subject of mechanical engineering and as well as industrial engineering. So please prepare those technical subject also. And they're going to ask questions from RCFL. You should know about the organization you are planning to join, okay. Who is the head of the organization, okay, like CMD or chairman, whatever post there is. And what are the popular products in the market of that organization? Who are the competitors of that organization in the market? What is the vision of the organization? How is that performing during the last 2 or 3 years? So check the performance, check the total net worth, total revenue earned during the last year, okay. So there are many such points which you should read, okay, because in interview they ask, okay. And then if you have some work experience, obviously they are going to ask about that. So please make a checklist of all the important points, whatever work you have done, okay. So try to frame the questions. If you are conducting interview related to that work, what kind of question you may ask. So make the list, prepare the answers, right. And then general questions regarding some general awareness, basic common sense, right. Very simple questions about the different positions, events happening in the country or globally, popular events, right, about which everyone should know, right. So this is a mixed type of interview, and you have to practice more and more for the interview, because in these candidates, so many candidates are there, all of them will not get the job, right. Some of them will be filtered out. So you have to work your hard, work your best, so that you are not filtered, you enter into the organization, okay. So do all efforts, take guidance from your seniors, from your professors, from your friend, relative, anyone who you know, okay, working in any PSU or any expert. Like YourPedia also provides this mock interview program facility, and students preparing for different PSU exam, they join mock interview program by YourPedia, and then they go for practices, and then finally they perform well in the interview and they get selected, right? So you can also call the executives of YourPedia regarding this interview preparation module, and you can join, you can go for different snap interview and mock interview, and this practice actually, okay, because we have observed during the so many interviews we conduct, so many students tell us this fact that this is very beneficial, right? So you can also try, okay. So I wish you all the best.